my best friend? My dad. I think your dad is your best friend too. Well, Father's Day is coming, so how about we do something special for our dads? I'm making 2 cards for my dad, so why don't you join in? Let's get started! To make this card, all you need is 2 colored sheets, a scissor, a pencil, a ruler, and any hard object to make a heart, and 2 hands to make hands, and for a big hug. Let's draw 2 hands and a heart, then cut them out. Cut, cut. All done. Let's get to the next step. I have a green paper here, and I'm going to fold it into half. Then cut off. Fold it into half, then mark 10 and 5 centimeters with a ruler on both sides of the paper. Next, we're going to fold on those dots. This is what it looks like now. And now I'm going to do 1 towards the center, then 1 away from the center for both sides. This is what it looks like now. Let's start pasting the shapes now. I'm going to start with the heart. Then I'm going to close this. Then stick the hands like this with the thumb up. Look what happens. Now we can do I and you here if we like, to make it look like I love you. I'm ready with my message for my dad. It says, I love you, Dad. Big hug, Dad. Well, I used a stencil. You can write your own message. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you for the next card. Bye. To make this pop-up card, all you need is 3 colored sheets, some markers, scissors, pencils, ruler, some glue stick, and a heart stamper. I'm using a cookie cutter. Let's get started. To make this Father's Day card, you'll need to fold the paper into half and make sure you match the corners. To make the tie and the hat pop up, you'll need to put dots on 1 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and 19 centimeter on the forward. Do a line over here. Now, next, join these dots. Next, I'm gonna cut on these lines. Next, I'm gonna fold it like this. Now I'm gonna unfold these and open my card. Then I'm gonna take these folds out. This is what my card looks like now. Next, inside the card, make a hat on the shorter cut and a tie on the longer cut. Let's color it in. My hat and tie are ready. See the pop-up? Let's move to the next step. I've cut a strip of my orange paper. Let's fold it to a fan. This is what my fan looks like. I'm going to use the glue to put the glue on both of these sides and then paste it on my card. Let's leave it to dry and move to the outer part of the card. Okay, I'm back with my sheet. I brought some cookie cutters along to stamp some hearts. Let's fold the paper and start stamping. Easy peasy, let's go! My paint is all dry. By the way, even my hat is dry. Before we start sticking this on, we are gonna pop this up and fold it. Then we're gonna open up my card, then use the glue to paste this on the card. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like from outside. I'm ready with my card. I've written my message. What does it say? That's right! To the best dad in the world. Happy Father's Day. Love, Pranay. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.